Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this new Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 50. So this is new to me. I actually use their Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 35 in the mornings, but saw this and had to try it. So I want to show you all what it looks like, how it's like to unbox this. Sunscreen, moisturizes, helps prevent sunburn. Cool. All right, let's get into it. There's 1.7 ounces in this. Let's check it out. That's it. Oh, wow. So it's a interesting package. Not what I'm used to. I'm used to the pump up top. But I think that's pretty cool that they have a little pump on the bottom. Looks like you stand it like this with a lid. The other ones I've unboxed on the channel just have a pump up top. So here's the packaging. Boom. Oh, interesting. So sits like this. Then let's see. Live demo, show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I like the little opening. It's not circular, it's more oval. Check it out, check it out. I'll show you guys some of the texture once it comes out. Oh, I feel it, I feel it. Wow. So, that's what it looks like. Pretty creamy, pretty creamy. I'll have to try it on my face to see how it compares to the SPF 35 one I was talking about that I use, but right away I do notice it does smell more like sunscreen than the SPF 35 one. But yeah, I'll try it out and see how I like it. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description where I got this from, guys, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this one versus the SPF 35 one that I typically unbox and use on this channel. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you guys in the next unboxing video. Later, guys.